All right, good morning, guys. It is our first full day here in Sedona, and we are feeling super adventurous and motivated today.
So we were planning on driving up to the Jordan Trailhead, doing the Brynn Mesa Loop, which includes the Soldier Pass, Cibola Pass, and part of the Jordan Trail. But the parking lot we read is pretty small, so we decided just to start from the trailhead that's like a minute from our Airbnb. That adds on about 1.5 miles each way. So we've packed our water, we've got some snacks. We're estimating it's going to be between like 8 and 10 miles, but not too sure. So let's get to it.
So this mountain range right here is Thunder Mountain, and this is one of the main landmarks here in Sedona. Wherever you're driving through, or pretty much when you first enter through Sedona, you see this mountain range on your left-hand side. And it just so happens that our Airbnb is right at the bottom of it. So if you saw our video from hiking Tom's Thumb down in the Phoenix area, you'll notice that the terrain here is much different than kind of the desert landscape in Phoenix. So Sedona's only a 2-hour drive from the Phoenix area, and one thing that you can't really tell from the video is the climate. So right now it's about 80 degrees and still beautiful and sunny. But down in Phoenix, it's probably going to be about 95 to 100 degrees today. And if you go 2 hours even further, you'll wind up in Flagstaff, and that's where you get into the pine tree area, more mountainous ranges, and you can even go snowboarding up at Arizona Snow Bowl. So that's one thing that we just absolutely love about Arizona, is that you can just hop in your car and drive no more than 2 hours, and you can find yourself in a completely different climate and do so many different types of activities, outdoor activities like hiking, mountain biking, rock climbing,
Skiing,
snowboarding, and even Utah, New Mexico, and Colorado, and obviously California aren't that far of a drive either. So you're kind of in a great location, and you got great weather all year round.
Alright, so we just got to the intersection of Teacup Trail and Soldier's Pass. We're going to go ahead and take Soldier's Pass over. So this is part of our loop, but by itself, Soldier's Pass is about a 4-mile out and back trail with about 620 feet elevation gain. The reason we actually chose to come here from Teacup Trail is because the parking lot's super small, only about 14 spots available, and there's restricted parking in the nearby neighborhoods. Also, the trail closes at 6 p.m. So it is one of the most popular hikes, but it is a little bit hard to get to if it's busy.
So we just finished Soldier's Pass. It was a pretty moderate hike, pretty easy, but
a little more incline at the end.
Yeah, but the views are spectacular at the end of the trail. But we took this into Brynn Mesa, so now we're gonna go follow the trail around, go up the mesa. Should only be like a 0.4 mile detour. What is the mileage right now? What are we at?
We're at 4.83 miles today.
4.83.
So
got quite a bit more to go, but hopefully Brynn Mesa has some even more amazing views. But from here, from the trail, let's see, this is along the backside. There's not as many people back here. What a view from here. What do you think of it?
This is amazing.
Tired yet?
I'm not tired. Not too hot out, it's about 75 degrees. Which is like nothing compared to hiking in Phoenix.
Not a cloud in the sky though.
Beautiful.
Where are we at now on the decline of Brynn's Pass?
Decline of Brynn's Pass.
Or descent?
We're going to turn right on Cibola Pass whenever we get there. Tristan's feet are dying. So are mine though.
Oh, here it is. I see people
Oh, yeah.
cutting from over there.
See a sign.
All right, we are now back where we started. Coming back onto the Teacup Trail. We have clocked about 8 miles, I think, so far.
8.2.
And we have at least 2 more miles. I think we're a little too ambitious to start. All right, we are officially done and incredibly exhausted.
We're
For the
at
record,
10
what are we at?
10.43 miles.
10.43.
Whew.
Yeah, so
I need some water.
yeah, we're completely out of water. I think we only had like 1 banana each and a granola bar, like a Lara bar. How long was that? How long were we out there?
4.5-ish hours, maybe 5.
For about 5 hours. So totally worth it though. It's incredibly beautiful. The landscape is amazing. The weather wasn't too hot. We're just exhausted now. So if you decide to come up to Sedona,
Which you should.
definitely do these hikes. Check them out, but maybe don't be like us. Maybe break them up. All right, thanks for watching. Peace out.